Class 7th, Chapter number 5, Acid, Bases and Salt. Taste of various edible substances. Acid and bases. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar. All are sour. They contain acid chemical nature. This is called acidic. Baking soda. They are called bases. जिनका जो टेस्ट है वो सौंपी, अगर हम उन्हें हाथ पे लगाकर टच करके देखते हैं तो वो बेस सौंप की तरह होता है. बेसिस आर फाउंड इन सौंप, ब्लीच, washing powder, chemical nature, basic. Special type of substances are used in test whether a substance is acidic or basic. They are called indicators. Change in color, solution containing some natural indicators, litmus, China rose petals or turmeric. Taste of various edible substances. So, lemon juice, sour, orange, sour and sweet, curd, sour, grapes, sour and sweet, sugar, sweet, common salt, salty, apple, sour and sweet, baking soda, bitter, vinegar, sour. Acids, curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour. जिनका टेस्ट जो है वो खट्टा होता है. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. These substances which are sour in taste are called acid. Acids are of two types. Acid जो है वो two types के होता है, organic acid and mineral acid. Organic acid जो natural. The acids which are found in plants, animals are called, जो animals और plants में पाया जाता है वो organic acid होता है. Organic acid and their sources. Name of organic acids, natural sources. Citric acid, fruits such as oranges, lemon. Lactic acid, curd. Tartic acid, tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes. Acetic acid, vinegar. Oxalic acid, malic acid, amino acid. Mineral acid. The acids prepared from the mineral of the earth are called mineral acid. जो अर्थ पर पाया जाता है mineral acid. They are human made acid, are also known as laboratory acid. The most common mineral acid are sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3, and hydrochloric acid, HCl. Mineral acids are very strong and dangerous. मिनरल एसिड जो है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है और बहुत ज़्यादा डेंजरस होता है. दे आर हाईली corrosive in nature. Dear student, do you know each cell in our body contains an acid, the deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. It contains every feature of the body such as our looks, color of our eyes, our height, etc. Proteins that build part of our cells are made of amino acid. The fats in our body contain fatty acid. Uses of acid. Baking soda does not have sour taste. बेकिंग सोडा का जो टेस्ट होता है वो सोर नहीं होता. इट हैज़ ए बिटर यानी कि कड़वा टेस्ट. इफ़ वी रब ए सॉल्यूशन ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा बिटवीन आवर फिंगर्स इट फील्स सोपी ऑन स्लिपरी टू टच. दिस सब्सटेंस विच आर बिटर इन टेस्ट and have soapy touch are known as bases. Name of bases present in calcium hydroxide, lime water, ammonium hydroxide, window cleaner, floor cleaner, wood polish. Number 3, sodium hydroxide soap, potassium hydroxide soap, magnesium hydroxide antacid cosmetic and toothpick. Properties of bases. Number 3, salt. Salt is a compound which is made of two radicals, acid radicals which is negative and obtained from an acid, and basic radical which is positive and obtained from a base. Salt can be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Acidic salt, hydrochloric acid plus ammonium hydroxide plus ammonium hydrochloride plus water. Normal salt, sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid, ammonium chloride plus water. Basic salt, acetic acid plus sodium hydroxide, sodium acetate plus water. Thank you and have a nice day.